Good morning, the Chef George from Evan by George. Again here from New Jersey. Let's make today Mahi-mahi fish fillet with garlic, cilantro, lime juice, white wine, and butter. It's the delicious recipe, and I love the Mahi-mahi. It's super versatile, and the meat is super white. It's beautiful. The ingredients: Mahi-mahi fish fillets. Look how beautiful. We have the fillets, extra virgin olive oil, minced garlic, butter, fresh cilantro, lime juice, Old Bay seasoning. This is very good for fish and seafood recipes. I use a lot for this. And garlic salt. Always pat dried excess moisture from the fish. This step is very important as it affects how well your fish will brown. Let's seasoning with Old Bay, all fillets. Let's put Old Bay in every single fillet properly. And now let's season it with garlic salt. The same with every single fillet. We put garlic salt and Old Bay for both sides. In the fry pan, we use butter, clarified butter, and olive oil. High fire, need to be very hot, the oil. This allowed for quick and even browning of exterior of the fillet. With the oil very hot, we start to put the fillet. 3 minutes each side. Let's turn over every single fillet for 3 more minutes in this side. Look how beautiful. Look now. The color is incredible. When we finish browning, we are ready for the oven. After 7 minutes in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius, look how beautiful look the fillet. Are ready to plate for the client. For make the sauce, we clarify the butter, add the minced garlic for 2 minutes. Then add the juice of 1 lemon. Add quarter cup of white wine or cooking wine. Dilute 1 spoon of cornstarch in hot water in order to make the sauce more thick. After we mix all ingredients, the sauce is ready, thick and delicious. This is the final result. We plate for the client the fillets, we put the sauce on top, sprinkled with cilantro. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, give me a like and share the link. Thank you so much.